Hello, good evening, friends in YT all over the world. Mega love shout out. Please welcome back to my channel, Billy Lupis. Mega love shout out, friends in YT. And mega love shout out also to my team, Team Sumbi, to our beloved chairman, Sir Meryl Ventura, all officers and members, and all very supportive friends out there. Please welcome back and listen my song, guys. There is it. Thank you. Tagal. Ayun pala. Di naka-play. Sorry. The minute you're gone, I cry. The minute you're gone, I die. Before you walk out of sight, I'm like a child all alone at night. I stare into emptiness. I'm filled with such loneliness. The word goes from right to wrong. The minute you're gone, the minute you're gone, I say, how lonely a girl I'd be. My life would be oh so blue if I couldn't be with you. The minute you're gone, I pray. The minute you're gone, I'll say, please don't stay away too long. The minute you're gone. Oh yeah, more please. Ito na siya, guys. Please I'll never let you see the way my broken heart is hurting me. I've got my pride and I know how to hide all my sorrow and pain. I'll do my crying in the rain. If I wait for cloudy skies, you won't know the rain from the tears in my eyes. You'll never know that I still love you so. Do the heartaches remain? I'll do my crying in the rain. Raindrops falling from heaven could never wash away my misery. But since we're not together, I'll look for stormy weather to hide the stars I hope you'll never see. Someday when my crying's done, I'm gonna wear a smile and walk in the sun. I may be a fool, but in the darling, you'll never see me complain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain. I'll do my crying in the rain. Oh yeah. Last guys, last song. You can dance every dance with the girl who gives you the eye, make you hold you tight. Oh yeah. You can smile every smile for the girl who'd like to treat you right, need a pale moonlight. But don't forget who's there. Save the last dance for me. Big love shout out. You can dance, go and carry on till the night is done and it's time to go. If he asks if you're all alone, can she take you home? You must tell her no. And don't forget who's taking you home, and innocent you're gonna be. Oh, darling, save the last dance for me.